Good evening, my dear students. Now, today onwards, I am going to teach Telugu Academy Mathematics online classes in the banner of Sri Chakra online classes, maths online classes. And in that Telugu Academy, whatever the problems are there, each and every problem I solve on the board. Okay, right. The first problem here in the exercise 6A, first problem, tan theta minus 14 pi. So this tan theta minus 14, I'm taking here, I'm taking minus common here. If I'm taking minus common, 14 pi minus theta, we can write. So tan is as this. So simply if I take minus 14 into pi, minus 14 pi, minus into minus plus theta, we can write. So here, this 14 I am writing like this, minus. See, one more thing here, tan of, let it be like this. So it is looking like a tan of minus of theta. For example, sin minus theta, what we can write? Minus sin theta we can write. Same like that, tan minus theta, what we can write? Minus tan theta we can write. That you know in 10th, that you can know in 10th class. So here tan minus of minus theta. Okay. So tan minus of minus theta, what we can write? Minus tan theta we can write. Okay, minus, come outside. So this 14 I am splitting like this, 2 into 7 pi minus theta, we can write. We can write. So 2 7s are 14 pi minus theta. So it is like a n into 360 minus theta formula. That means tan 360 minus theta. Okay, minus is minus as it is, tan is as it is. Here tan 360 minus tan 360 minus theta in which coordinate? Sorry, this is not 2 into 7. This is 7.2. This is 7.2. So this is 7.2. Tan 360. This is pi means 180. 180 into 2. How much? 360. 360 minus theta. So tan 360 minus 360 minus theta in which coordinate? Generally, so 360 minus theta, fourth coordinate. Okay, all silver teacups, you know that this is first, second, third, and fourth coordinate. The fourth coordinate is minus theta, so only cos and sec only positive, remaining all are negative. So here minus tan as is, tan 360 minus theta, only cos and sec positive, remaining all minus only. So minus tan theta we can write. Any doubt? No doubt. No. See, this is in the form of n360 minus theta. So n360 minus theta in the fourth coordinate. In the fourth coordinate, only cos and sec only positive. Remaining all are negative. So minus tan as is. So in the fourth coordinate, tan is negative, minus. So tan 360 minus theta minus tan. Here we can write minus into minus plus. So tan theta. So this is the answer. Copy down first. Okay. The second problem is second problem is in your test book. Cot 21 pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, this is your second problem. Cot 21 pi by 2 minus theta. Here, this 21 pi by 2, this 21 pi by 2, we can write 10 pi plus pi by 2, we can write 21 pi by 2, we can write okay. 21 pi by 2. So this 21 pi by 2 we can write 10 pi plus pi by 2. If you are taking LCM 2, so this is 10 to the 20, 20 pi plus 1. So how much we have 20 pi plus pi equal to how much will come? 21 pi by 2 will come. So the 21 pi by 2 I am splitting like this, 10 pi plus pi by 2. So this 21 pi by 2 I am writing for 10 pi plus 10 pi plus pi by 2 minus theta I am writing. So this part I am always and number of times into 360 minus theta or plus theta I am going to change it, because 360 plus theta is there, formulas are 360 minus theta is there. So always I am trying like that. So 10 pi plus pi by 2 minus theta is there. So this 10 pi I am splitting like this, or this 10 pi we can write 5 into 2 pi, 5 into 2 pi, 5, this 10 pi I am writing 5 into 2 pi into pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, 5 to the 10 pi plus into, sorry, plus. Okay, so this is this also same like that, 90 minus theta, n into 90 minus theta, like that, 2 3, n into minus theta, like that. So here n into minus theta, so 90 minus theta in which coordinate? 90 minus theta is in the first coordinate. So first coordinate all are positive. So I am writing like cot we can write cot 90 minus theta, cot theta only. So cot 90 minus theta, so to n into, so this is what 360 minus theta. So 360 minus theta in which coordinate? Fourth coordinate, 360 minus theta. So the 360 minus theta, cot the 360 minus theta is 360 minus theta in the fourth coordinate. Fourth coordinate in only second cosec only positive, remaining all are negative one. So here and moreover 360 minus theta, cot 360 minus theta, what it will come? Minus tan theta will come. Okay, minus tan theta will come. Here cot theta minus tan theta, what we can write? Sin theta by cos theta you can write. Okay, and this cot also what we can write? Cos by sin we can write. Cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta into what is there? Sin theta by cos theta is there. If you cancelling this one, if you cancelling this one, what you will get? One only. And the answer? Huh? Cos cancel sin. ఈ cot 360 minus theta ఒకటి వచ్చింది minus tan theta. మళ్ళీ తప్పులు ఓపెన్ అయిపోవాలి. Okay, we will continue in next class. Okay, tomorrow we will continue same time. Students come same time only. Come sharp only. Don't come late. All the every day you are coming late. And Devi will come first.